everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a flower style. I did one like this, video number 660. I have green that I'm going to be using at the bottom, and I'm going to be using my airbrush to blow it out and hopefully create some really wispy areas looking like leaves and stems. And then I have a huge variety of colors, peach, purples, and a really dark magenta. And then I have white for my background. So I'm just the white's gonna be the background. I'll put the green at the bottom, and then I'll have my flowers going up. And I have a larger 10 by 20 inch canvas. And I also have my colors mixed with Sargent Art Gloss Medium and water. So last time I used Floetrol, and some of my colors were really sinking into my base coat, and I didn't like it that much. So I just wanted to try this again, but try a different medium to see if that different medium will work better. And I'm just gonna smooth out my white, and I'll probably tilt it just a little bit to get a nice even coat. Okay, so now I'm gonna start by putting my green down at the bottom. I have 3 shades of green, so I have a much darker green, a mid-tone, and then a very light green. And I just want to get a nice little blending of color. Okay, I'm gonna put just a little bit more in here just to kind of remove some of those white areas, but I really like the way that looks. That's kind of fun to do, just to get kind of a different look before I start putting the puddles of paint down. I think it'll look nice as a little bit of a background there. So now I have, the last time I did this I used some bottles, but this time I just have a bunch of pipettes that I'm using. So I'm going to use these to create my blobs of paint, and then we will run our little stick through them, and you'll see how that design works out. This is a really pretty color. And then I'm actually going to add some of this really light peach in it. Yeah, I'm liking my consistency of paint a lot more than the last time, so I think switching up my medium worked out well. But look at that. That is going to be really pretty all through here. And I'm going to try and put them in different areas, do different sizes for my my puddles of paint, and just keep going across my canvas. And I'm gonna try and kind of alternate colors. I don't want all of them to look exactly the same, so some of them I'll do the lighter color and some the darker color. Those are so cute. Okay, I want to try some of this peach color. All right, so now move on to my lighter purple again and get one in here. And then I really like this color, so this is going to go in a larger one over here. I'm hoping everything will dry well. It's quite a bit of paint, so I hope my little puddles don't crack, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm not going to add any more. I almost want to create some kind of stem on these, but I don't know. I don't really want to add black or anything to it. I may do that after it's all dry. I think that would look kind of nice, but these are so cute. It's just so whimsical and just something totally different. I love the pattern it creates, and it's really fun just to kind of mix all the colors together so you get some really nice patterns. So I hope you guys like this video. This one turned out, so far it looks much better than my first one, so I may try this one again and pick out some different colors. I'll probably stick with the greens for the background. I do really like the way that that looks, even going up into the top. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.